Hey Emma.
Hey vlog.
Good morning, what's up? It's day 1 of VidCon. Here with my applesauce, because I'm literally a 5-year-old. We're getting ready to go to the expo hall. We all coordinate so well, so we need to take pictures later today,
Yes.
no matter what. Are we ready?
Yeah, I need to get this on.
She's gonna put her bracelet on. We all got these little Brandy Melville. You see this? I'm gonna do an outfit of the day.
Do we hold it for you?
Sure. I got the shirt from Brandy Melville. The skirt is from Aritzia. Shoes are from Steve Madden. Socks are from Costco. Oh, both my jewelry pieces are from Brandy Melville. And this is from VidCon, as is this. Let's go, ladies.
I knew you'd do a montage.
We're filming Emma's reaction because she's never been to VidCon. Isn't it crazy? I know. We're at the expo hall. Really excited. There's honestly not that many people here though. I don't know, do we start at like one end and then we just move our way down? I feel like you know better than I do. Oh my god, look! Oh my god, you get like little tattoos done. Hey Keegan, look, that's your tattoo that you can get done. You don't even have to be permanently inked. This is the breakfast that we needed. We didn't buy anything, so we're here at Shreds. Thank you. Okay, so step 1, they take your picture and then they put it on a coffee over there. It's you! No way. Thank you. That is literally our faces. This is Hubert's Lemonade's booth. It's super cute. Hey guys, what's up? This is Yusani. We met last year in last year's VidCon vlog. Do you have a YouTube channel? No. You don't? No. Start one. Oh my god. You have an Instagram? Yeah. I'll put her Instagram right here so you guys should go follow her. We're getting food right now at the food truck Ferris Wheel Fiesta. Hey guys, we are currently at Downtown Disney. We made kind of a turn of events because everything was too expensive or didn't really sound like what we wanted to eat.
Give the Uber driver 5-star, but it's not working.
5-star. We had a really funny Uber driver. He was fantastic. Almost killed us, but we survived. This is so pretty.
No, that's not wrong,
See, this is why I love California, ladies. It's just so cool. We're here with Emma Romano as she studies the menu. We got bread, olive oil, vinegar, Keegan being silly. We're here at Naples in Downtown Disney. So update, we're all like really enjoying just chilling at this table, and we all just posted an Instagram, and I'm connected to my charger because I'm already at 31%. Guys, this is the reality of YouTube. We're all working. Oh, Keegan.
I finished what I needed to do.
Keegan's done working.
I'm trying to edit a vlog down from 22 minutes to like a reasonable time.
That's actually kind of hard to do. I am responding to all of you guys, which honestly isn't actually working. It's just fun, but we're all like nestled up, taking a chill, relaxing afternoon. We're gonna go on a photo shoot and take pictures on the roof. Here with my 2 lovely ladies. Oh my god, I'm really winded. Kind of embarrassing. We're about to take pics and it's gonna be really fun. And I'm really excited because I haven't taken photos in a long time. And I get to take them of these 2 beautiful ladies. So let's get this started.
All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night.
Guys, I forgot to end the vlog. We're gonna end that vlog, and I'm probably gonna combine that day with this day. I don't really know yet, so stay tuned, keep watching. On the agenda today, we are going to the expo hall in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock. It opens right now. We're gonna go down there really quick, take another lap around. We didn't spend a ton of time there yesterday, so we want to explore a little. Then we are off to LA. We're gonna go live it up in the big city. I was having like a major LA craving, and I almost changed my flight so I could be there. So we're gonna Uber instead. Here's Keegan, looking fab. Got it. Yeah. That's Emma. We need to get these little children breakfast because Emma didn't even have dinner last night and I feel like a bad mom.
I don't eat, I told you that.
And she just told me that she had Sour Patch first thing in the morning, so I'm clearly not raising my children right.
My fault, my bad. The words out, but you weren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of
Over Kiara's vlog, look at her. Behind the gram. Say hi to your vlog. Hey vlog.
We're back at the Grove. It feels weird to be here without my mom though, so Mom, I miss you. We always come to the Grove together. And find a place to eat for lunch. We're gonna check out this sushi place and see what it's like. We're here with Keegan and Emma. I always forget what this place is called. Thank you. You're welcome. Looks so good. Look at my little buttered pasta girls. love it. See, this would like bring out your eyes so well. I agree. These are fun. My friend Catherine would totally wear these. They're so cool. The whole light thing. I changed my outfit because I'm trying to, you know, mix up the content. We got this new shirt from Brandy. It says adore. No, wait. No, it says amore. Why do I keep thinking it says adore? Teleported ourselves to Melrose and we're going to Glossier. Oh, that's cute. We should take a picture there.
Keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh how it feels.
Wait, what? Wait. So cool. They're like playing sounds and music. So cool. It's so cool. It's exactly like the real thing. All right, got my stuff from Glossier. It's super cute. They like run out to you with your name and everything. I got 2 things. Oh, and they give you a bunch of stickers. Today we are just taking pics left and right. It's hot, it's beautiful, it's wonderful. Follow us all on Instagram if you want to see the photos. We're going to get juice because I'm thirsty. Oh my god, I might get a drink. Watermelon, apple, lemon. It's like a dream come true. Hey, Keegan. Well, it's official. I'm in love with this place. It's such a good iced chai. Like, I've never had an iced chai like this. It tastes more snickerdoodly than like chai-y, but I like it. Big fan. I want Emma's phone case. Look how cute it is. For an apple. I want it. Made it to the Made in LA wall. It's really crowded, honestly. Outfit number 3. I just bought this at Brandy Melville. I didn't pack enough clothes for this trip. Just took a million pics at this wall and I forgot to vlog. I had to introduce Emma and Keegan to this love of mine. Let's go inside. Keegan, what do you think? Look at this double scoop. Emma got here and I regret it already. See, that's what Emma's for, right? Do you guys want to know what true friendship is? A friend that brings you your makeup wipes. I'm in bed right now, and Keegan was 5 seconds ago. We were watching YouTube. Emma is hanging out with her fam, and we miss her. I'm ending the vlog here because everyone else ended their vlog, and I'm so tired, and I low-key have a small headache, and I just want to sit here and go through my photos. And Keegan keeps falling off the bed. Anyway, tomorrow's the last day of VidCon, and I'm really tired, so I need some energy for it, and I'm probably gonna edit and go to bed. Okay, that's it for watching. Good night.